80% of the people in the developing countries for fuel wood, they are depending on the forest. But slightly it is decreasing because everything is await. If we are cutting the trees like this for fuel wood, as a fuel wood, I mean future, I mean we has to face the problem. That is the first thing, little bit decreased. Majority of the people is using gas or other things for fuel wood, solar cookers and also. But food resources for other purpose, for construction, designing, for other purpose, also increasing demand. One thing, as a fuel wood, it is decreased for the utilization, but other things also increasing. For construction of buildings, laying of roads, hydropower projects, dams, everything, for all the things, we are depending on the forest land. Whatever it may be, major buildings, major area, industries, or any other institutions who has to establish, we are depending on the forest area. That is the situation to overexploitation. Laying of roads, railway tracks, also decreasing forest land. With that, majority of the wildlife is disturbing. Dams are good for whatever, everything is good. I mean, farming for agriculture purpose, industries, development is good. We has to think along with development, I mean, our survival also. Otherwise, only we are thinking for development, only for economic orientation. What about our survival? If there is no survival, who require that things? First, if a human being is surviving, after that we have to think everything. For survival purpose, we have to plant more plantation. We have to take initiation wherever possibility is there. Even in a small pots, small tubs. Also, we have to plant as a green buildings, as a home garden, terrace garden, various aspects. Okay, we have to develop, our country has to develop, and any country is, any nation is thinking we have to develop by constructing industries, whatever it may be. But along with that, we have to think alternate regarding plantation. That is very, very important. Due to all these overexploitation activities of the forest, deforestation is occurs. Deforestation means, I mean, it's the process, removal or elimination or degradation of the trees due to many natural or man-made activities, whatever it may be. Actually, deforestation means simply destruction of the, degrading of the forest area. What are the causes for deforestation? Why deforestation is occurring? First thing is the developmental projects, any industries, mining operations, wherever mineral resources are there. Our nation is depending on for economy. We are digging minerals and then mica, coal, manganese, limestone, whatever it may be, varieties. Due to mining operations also, majority of the forest area is decreased. Raw material for industries, everything. Many industries depends on the forest for their raw material. Fuel requirements, food demand, overgrazing, food demand due to overpopulation, fuel requirement also wherever it is necessity, then overgrazing for cattle rearing. Due to overpopulation, majority of the people, tribals especially, they having many cattle. By cattle rearing, overgrazing will be occur. If overgrazing is started, what is meant by grazing? Overgrazing, removal of, plants, small shrubs, plants, grass, everything by by cattle rearing as a fodder. Suppose this year, naturally, any seeds are there, they are, growing due to rainy season, in the rainy season, due to water, plenty amount of water. They may grow like this, 2 to 3 feet in a year. Grass also. If cattle rearers are using that land for grazing purpose, so whatever the plant is growing 2 to 3 feet in a year, they are eaten by cattle. What is next year? Next year, after 4 to 5 years, that area may not get seeds to plant. They may not get seeds that particular soil. If soil having any seeds, wild seeds, next year in the rainy season, they are grown as a plant. Due to overgrazing, what is happening? Year by year, seeds population in the soil will be decreased in any forest area. Continuously overgrazing is going on, cattle rearing is going on. What is happening? Due to loss of canopy, that is known as loss of canopy. So flowers and then seeds are coming, they are fell down into the soil, and then next year they will be regrown. Forest will be regrown. If canopy will be lost, what will happen? After some years, that entire forest land is converted into dry land or desert. That is the problem. Then shifting cultivation. Nowadays, there is no shifting cultivation, but still somewhere it is going on. For shifting cultivation, what is there? Whatever the plants and that surrounding area is there, large plants, they are fell down. That forest, that plant is cutting down, and then they are using for agricultural purpose, cultivation purpose. It is also major plants forest area is degraded. Another important threat to forest is forest fire. Forest fires, naturally, sometimes it will occur due to high temperature. Whenever it is thunders, lightning and thunders are coming, but that is rare situation. Simply, majority of the cattle rearers are going to the forest their cattle rearing into the forest in summer. Simply they are throwing the matchsticks. Not only cattle rearers, some of the people, knowingly or unknowingly, whatever it may be, simply throwing matchstick, one matchstick, completely that surrounding area, maybe 5 to 10 kilometers, 13 kilometers, 20 kilometers, maybe destroyed with small matchstick. One burnt, smash everything forest, whatever they grown from the 50 years onwards or 100 years onwards. That is also a lot of threats to the forest degradation, deforestation. Everything has to visualize it. Don't throw mastic in the forest area. Somebody is thinking there is a dry leaves, there is a dry grass. If we are throwing the one matchstick, everything will be cleaned. But there is a lot of defects. I mean, there is a lot of problem will be occurs. If suppose entire everything forest fire is going on like that, everything will be burnt. Seeds we may not get. And then whatever 1 year plants, 2 year plants are there, they completely burnt, died. Next year, how it will be? Hence, we has to avoid forest fires too. Majority of the case studies, deforestation is occurs in Himalayan regions too. Actually, Himalayan region is there is a lot of dense forest, great forest area is there, Sivalik ranges, everything, everywhere. That area also, due to all the activities, deforestation is going on. Biodiversity is decreasing. Majority of the situation, forest fire in our state, everywhere, due to different various aspects. Hence, we has to protect. How we can overcome deforestation? What is the initiation we has to take as a human being to protect our forest land? What kind of things we has to do? What is our main duty to conserve forest for our survival? To initiate, to educate wherever it is possible. Being a student, young student, you has to educate. First, you has to educate in your family, your surroundings, your village, your classroom. Education is the continuous purpose for our human survival. Continuously, we has to educate the people for conserving of natural resources, especially for conservation of the forest from the overexploitation and then deforestation.